welcome back, guys. Steve, Metal Dryer Event, nowmetalDryerEvent.com. Okay, so I'm at a one-story on a slab. Dryer, you go in, and it's gonna, I haven't even been around this side yet, but it's gonna come out right over here somewhere. So, he had another company, I'm thinking it's that first one, because the other two have screens. He had another company come out that supposedly works on dryer vents, right? And the guy was going to spray liquid into the dryer vent. And so I immediately got intrigued. I'm like, what? But as a business owner, I've got to be careful. I can't, I don't want to know the company, because then I'm talking bad about another company. That makes me look terrible. But I just ran it through ChatGPT, Google, everything. Why would somebody, there's nothing. Why would anybody spray? Oh, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. All right, so it's right there. I'm gonna have to have him turn the AC off. I'll cover the AC, jump up there. It's gonna be a pain because if you look where you put your ladder, because I'm not left-handed. But either way, I'll show you guys inside, and I'll also show you guys a very, very cool tool that will help the average homeowner keep their dryer vents cleaner than ever before. Just watch. All right, guys. First thing I'm gonna do, I had the homeowner turn the HVAC off. So I am gonna cover this. Got a hole. So I'm kind of set up out here, so let's go turn that dryer on. Let's look behind the dryer, see what we see. And now right there is something we're gonna be using. Hey, not too bad. Not too bad. See, look at that. I can fix that. If you can, guys, hit that like button for me. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. You guys are already killing it on buying the periscopes, but we got to get up here and check this. So hit that like button. All right, got that covered. Let's see what we can get out of here. Oh no, now again, he had somebody come out and clean it, he said, but when they said they're gonna spray liquid, he's like, he said, no. Sorry, there's so much wind. I can't stop it. Whatever. What are we getting? $5.50. All right, I got it. And I put my hand in there, guys. There's gonna be some kind of bird. There we go. I made it down the elbow. Now it's in the vertical. Whew. Nice. Yep. See, that was all the way in the flex. Yeah, there's the elbow. There we go. Whew. Nice. Yep. See, that was all the way in the flex. You can already hear it working better. Let's see. Electric leaf blower. Guys, I hate to be this guy, but come on now, look. All right. See how they caulked the bottom side of the damper, right? Look, even on that side. But then on the top, sorry, I hope you guys are seeing this. So the good news is when the water that flows up against gravity, the good news is they're protected, right? So, as y'all saw, the dryer vent wasn't that dirty, but here's the thing. You saw how that lint trap would not seat down in there. And I know the camera, the GoPro's not gonna show this up, man, but it is packed in there. And just wait. All right, guys, here, this thing is a game changer. Sealegend dryer vent vacuum attachment with a brush, okay? So you get this and it's amazing, right? This thing goes over the end of your shop vac, whatever, or your regular vacuum cleaner. It will fit it. It'll fit a Dyson. It'll fit all of them. And this one, if you look, see how slender it is? So it'll allow you to get down in that crevice without having to take that entire screen off. And I'll show you that. And it also comes with this long brush, dude. Long brush. But guys, Sealegend, I'm telling you, check them out, dude. This is not an expensive kit, and I'm telling you, it's worth every single dime. I promise. Let me show you. Okay. First thing, take this out. You see this? Fits perfect, man. Let's do it. All right, here's the attachment. Take that, pull this down. You'll see that, okay? Now pull this over. Wait till y'all see this. If I can get it out. Just wait. Guys, did y'all just see that? Did you just see that? Dude, Sealegend, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Holy cow, now watch. That's two things. Sealegend, I'm telling you guys, holy cow. What? See what happens when this doesn't seat correctly? You see, guys. 1, 2, 3. I'm not a magician. This wasn't staged. Look. Let me make sure this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. I'm not a magician. This wasn't staged. Look. Let me make sure this, look at the holes in it. This has been in there for a long time. Holy cow. 3 things. Is there any more? I don't think there is. I didn't think there were 2. Never. Guys, and the good thing is I didn't have to take this cage off. It's narrow enough. And you saw how strong it was. It pulled 2 socks and a shirt. Now, guys, for the money, wait till we do an airflow test now. Oh, this is great. Yes, this is great. I can't get over how good that worked. Let's see the seats now. Look. So now, garments won't go down. They won't fall down like that. Garments won't fall down like that. All good. All right, boys and girls, like I always say, man, the proof's in the numbers, but it's also in the sound. Yes, sir. And you guys got to remember, our vent wasn't bad. And I can't get it the right angle for you guys. All right, guys, again, much thanks to Sealegend. Let's check them out. For the price of that brush and that vacuum attachment, you can't beat it. You just saw it, man. And I know I'm gonna have people saying, oh, you staged that. No, I didn't. I'm not staging anything. I've had multiple offers from multiple different sponsors that I wasn't gonna take. This one, I actually bought their product first and then they sent me an email. So it wasn't the other way around. I'm invested in this product. So check out Sealegend. Would we go from 551.6 to almost 1,500? Proofs in the numbers, guys. Till next time, Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Wait, I was told earlier, don't say it like that. My name is Steve. My company is Al Metal Dryer Vent and almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It's great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. Your dryer plugs straight back into it. Pull it out as many times as you want. See you next week.